everyone, how are you today? I'm so excited to be sharing this balloon bouquet decoration with you. It's a double stuffed balloon birthday bouquet and the color is so beautiful. Getting right into the video, we'll be using two colors, that's the blue and the green, and the combination of these colors gave us lemon green. Yes, it's so beautiful. I love the outcome. Now the blue will be inside and the green will be on the outside. You can use a skewer, a pencil, a pen, anything to stuff one balloon into the other. But I didn't use anything here because the balloons are large and it's quite easy to insert one into the other. Inflating our balloons, and for this particular decoration guys, I'm using a balloon sizer. The reason I'm using a balloon sizer is because I want the balloons to be relatively equal in size. This is because when they are equal, it would give it a balance. Unlike, for instance, Garland, we don't need anything to be balanced. It's hanging or it's, standing. But in this situation with the bouquet, we need it to be balanced on the floor. And we don't want one side to be bigger or unbalanced. So a sizer helps with this. Now, I'm showing us a balloon that is not stuffed. This is a normal yellow balloon that is not stuffed inside. And I'm not sure if the lightning helps to see the difference between these two balloons. One is stuffed and which gives the lemon green color and the other is just a yellow color. Here are our stuffed balloons. I used a total of 40 12-inch balloons. And here are the sized balloons. Yes, these balloons are equal sizes, and now we'll be joining them to make a quad, which would help us to form the base for our bouquet. Using a long balloon, also known as the 260 balloons, to connect the 12-inch balloons and the 5-inch balloons. Now, I used a quad 5-inch balloons in between the 12-inch balloons. This is to set it such that it's not twisted to the side like a garland. We want our bouquet to be straight. It's not a garland we are building. So the 5-inch balloons in between gives it that shape that we want, and the long balloon helps us to connect this together. So this is what we have, guys. Our base for our bouquet is ready, and now we are inflating our transparent balloon This just like a nylon like texture is different, and you have to be careful when inflating these guys. The first one I inflated popped, yes, and it gave me a scare. So be careful when you're inflating this, but it's so beautiful and I love working with it. So here is our transparent balloon, and it would be a decoration on top of our base. Our bouquet is forming up, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. Guys, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell so that you can receive notifications when we post our videos. We'll try as much as possible to post one video per week for now. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section and we'll do well to answer them. Now, using our 260 or long balloon, attaching it to the transparent balloon, which would help us to attach it to the base of our bouquet. It helps a lot and it keeps it firm. Now using a long balloon to accessorize our transparent balloon, I'll be just putting it around the transparent balloon using our gum, our glue gum, and putting it on the long balloon. The glue gum is very effective and you can trust it will do a good job, a neat job, and an effective job. So you can trust it. This is our outcome, guys. I hope you like it, but we are not yet done. We still have to decorate the other side of our bouquet, right? Now, this is what I want us to do for me, please. Now, I'm putting a number on the other side of the bouquet, which is, as you can see, the number 2. Now, the idea was to make this a number 2 birthday bouquet. However, the transparent balloon comes like a 0, which was not the original idea. So guys, tell me, what do you think? Does this look like a number 2 bouquet or a 20th birthday bouquet? Does it look more like a 2? Does the 0, that is the transparent balloon, look like a 0? Or it looks more like a decoration? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section. So, I'm accessorizing other parts of the bouquet, that ribbon. I also used the glue gum to attach it to the transparent balloon. Also, I used the long balloon as well, just with our glue gum, attaching it around our long balloon to give us that decoration, and attached it to the base of the bouquet. So this is what we have, guys. Let me know what you think about this. Do you like it? Oh, okay. I added one more thing. I added some leaves to the bouquet, which gave it that green themed bouquet. Now here is it without the leaves, and here it is with the leaves. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.